Hello, welcome to I Speak Organized. My name is Melanie and I am your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I serve hardworking families and professionals to help them find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. I feel that it's important for me to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about my background and how I became a professional organizer. Oh my God, look how organized my house is. So with that, let me tell you a little bit about my background. I was a professional ballet dancer for close to 20 years, and you might be wondering how in the world that correlates to becoming a professional organizer, but I do have a story that will tie it all together. So I was living in Seattle about 5 years ago, and when you work as a professional performing artist, it's a pretty tough gig. So a lot of times we will supplement our income with multiple jobs, side hustles, that type of thing. And I worked in catering and as a nanny and a dance educator primarily. As a caterer, you learn to event plan and work events for everything from big corporate parties and all the way down to things like intimate home gatherings and things like that. And you have to be super organized with schedule and time management and space and setting things up in all different kinds of environments and tearing them down and making things run smoothly and seamlessly behind the scenes is definitely a big foundation of that job. As a nanny working with families, I learned a lot about helping run a household and setting up routines and schedules and time management. And a lot of the productivity aspects of my job came from that. And I really enjoyed it a lot. And it's one of my favorite parts of professional organizing. And working as a dance educator gave me the tools to run a classroom and work with kids in a sort of kinesthetic learning environment, but also learn about the different types of learning styles that every child has built into themselves. In addition to teaching them how to dance and working on their technique and all of that, I also really enjoyed the goal setting aspect of it and the counseling. I was actually given the opportunity to become a sort of guidance counselor for a lot of my students and help with conflict resolution and communication between the staff and the students and the staff and the families, and making sure that everybody was always on the same page and that the families were getting everything that they needed out of their child's education. So that was something that I really enjoyed about that job. All of these things just kind of tied in together perfectly into this foundation of professional organizing and productivity coaching. And how the light bulb kind of clicked on for me when I realized, oh, this was something that I could do as a career. That brings us back to what I was saying earlier 5 years ago when I lived in Seattle. I had a friend who their mom was going through some pretty serious medical issues at the time, and they needed to clear out their house top to bottom and get it ready for appraisal for refinance. So they asked if I would be willing to help come in and help them declutter their home. And I was like, yeah, absolutely, because I love doing stuff like that. I've kind of always been doing it for myself and for friends. And through that process, I saw the sense of peace and control that it gave to the family as they were going through this really tough situation. And it was just such a wonderful experience for me to do something that I considered to be relatively simple to have such a big impact. I know that a lot of people think of professional organizers when they think of a stranger coming into their home, especially one that is really organized and on top of everything, supposedly. people are worried or embarrassed about having somebody come in and judge them. And I'm here to tell you my dirty secret, which is that I have not always been an organized person. Not even close. Like, I was the person who everyone would have to tell me that some event was happening an hour before it actually was happening, because I would always show up late. And I was the person who was chronically disorganized in my space. I worked really, really hard for many years and researched and educated myself on how to fix all of those things in my own life. And the power and the peace that it brought to my life, just to be able to learn how to schedule my time properly and not always be stressed because I was running late, or, you know, like having a really nicely organized closet so that I didn't spend 20 minutes getting dressed in the morning and and knowing where things are. It made such a huge difference for me. And so that's another reason why I do this job, is because I want to be able to share the same knowledge and the same sense of structure and peace that I found for myself. And so that's just really important for me to be able to share that with you and to work with you to get to a better place with all of that. I like to think that I strike a good balance between professional and fun. I am definitely just gonna be myself, and I want you to be yourself as well. And I hope that I make you feel more comfortable by not being totally perfect. Yeah, that's just really important to me. So I'm just gonna be myself. If you like it, great. If you don't, there are a ton of other professional organizers in your area that you can work with, but I'm just kind of goofy, and hopefully that's okay. So that's kind of my background and how I got started. Some other fun things, you know, I'm left-handed. I have double jointed elbows. Well, it was really gross. I hope that we get the opportunity to work together. I want to hear more about you, and I want to hear about the projects that you want to work on, and let's go ahead and just dive into it and get started so that you can have that sense of accomplishment when we're all done, and we will make it the best, most positive experience possible. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video, and I hope to work with you in the future. Bye! Perfect foundation of professional